In the previous video lectures, we understood what are the challenges for a city to become smart and how AI can become a boon for these kind of situations. Now, we have studied in detail how AI-enabled systems can help us in traffic, congestion, then parking, healthcare, education, waste management, environment, pollution control, so many other aspects we have learned. And today we are going to learn the last concept of this smart city AI enabled system, which is your governance. So covering all the aspects, we have understood that there is a central authority which is managing all these things. So if the central authority itself is not AI enabled, how it can help the other departments? Obviously, it is not possible. So we are going to understand what is the concepts of e-governance and how AI systems can help to properly govern a particular place. So government, which is totally AI enabled or which is digital in nature, can be called as e-government. And the method of managing these kind of government is called as what? It is called as e-governance. So if you have AI systems in this, what it can do? It can help us in prediction of trends in huge demography of the country, especially in a country like India. We have huge demography of country of our entire country, hunger, poverty, natural disasters, housing, infrastructure, agriculture, urbanization, education for unreached, crime prevention, safety, implementation and impact of assessment of schemes. So you can see that almost all aspects of government are covered over here. So when will the people feel secure? When they have good healthcare facilities, when the education is top class, when the government helps the people in natural disasters, or when no person is going in empty stomach to sleep. All these aspects are very important. So who is going to help us? The AI enabled system obviously is going to help us, because in a country like India, huge amount of data has to be collected, it has to be analyzed, patterns have to be found out, prediction has to be done. For all these things, AI is the best solution for us. And also it can be used for implementation of schemes. So many new schemes are being implemented by the government. How to implement it? Digitally, obviously. And what is the impact of this particular implementation also can be assessed in the e-governance. Some other points I would like to tell over here, that in India, National Informatics Center or NIC has been set up, Center of Excellence in AI. Okay. So this NIC of India has set up a different unit for AI enabled governance, which is called a Center of Excellence. Its main purpose is to work closely with various ministers and government departments to promote innovation in application of AI to take e-governance services to the next level in future. Already so many of our government schemes or facilities or provisions made for the public are under digital platform, and NIC is responsible for that. But since they cannot handle AI related services or collection of data, then modeling of the machine learning algorithms, all those things, they have set up a new branch, or they have set up another center called as the Center of Excellence, or COE for that matter. So what is its job? Other than what is already being done, Digital India e-governance is already doing so many things, but to boost up to the next level, so that it is going to be having all the features of AI. What's its main purpose? Main purpose is to work closely with various ministers and government departments to promote innovation in application of AI. How AI can help in finding or ruling out hunger and poverty, how AI can be used in helping people to get employment, how AI can be used for better healthcare facilities. All those aspects will be taken into consideration, and then it is going to provide the best e-governance for the people. Now, public safety and security is also one important concept in a city. For people to feel safe, then what we can do, we can use AI enabled systems. So AI can revolutionize public safety and security by monitoring outdoor activities in marketplaces, public places, and abandoned areas of the city. Obviously, if we have to be feel safe in our city, we should have monitoring systems so that any kind of mischief or any kind of threat can be taken care of immediately. How these things can be done, how the public safety security systems can be kept in marketplaces, public places, or abandoned city, and how it can be analyzed. Obviously, the AI-enabled surveillance systems, the robots in firefighting and rescue operations, detecting and preventing of fake news propagation, spotting and checking violence against few sections of the society, marking danger zones by prediction likely criminal activities, etc., can all be done to take care of the public safety and security. So who is going to do all those things? Obviously, we humans are going to do. We are going to write machine learning algorithms in all these fields. We fit this with the smart gadgets, smart scanning systems, sensors, and security systems so that people will feel safe, because they can be rescued at any point of time. Robots will be there to help them. Surveillance systems are there in order to track the culprits. Then we can detect and prevent the fake news propagation, which might lead to some riots in the city. Then we can also spot and check or stop some kind of violence which is happening for few sections of the society. And also we can mark some danger zones depending on the criminal activities of there. If these things are known, obviously the citizen of a particular city will feel safe. And if all these things are combined together, whether it is traffic, healthcare, education, waste management, pollution control, or governance, security systems, all these things are taken care by using the AI enabled system, then only we can call that particular city as a smart city. And the day is not far when we are going to have all these things and we can truly say that we are living in a smart city. So that's it from this chapter or this concept of AI in our day-to-day life. In the next session, we'll learn more about the future thing or a future of AI in terms of smart homes. Okay, smart homes are already there. Partially, we are living in a smart home, but more realization about this smart home concepts we are going to study in the next lesson. Till then, take care.